Hi everyone, I'm Emma. Today I'm flying to London. Come with me on this exciting airport adventure. Wow, this airport is so big and busy. Let's go inside and start our journey to London. First, everyone has to pass through the airport security entrance. Safety always comes first. Let's make sure everything is checked properly before we travel. Now I'm at the check-in counter. I'll show my passport and check my suitcase before my flight to London.
Welcome. Your flight is ready. Have a wonderful trip.
My backpack and suitcase are going through the X-ray scanner now. This is done to keep everyone safe.
Everything looks good. You may continue to your gate.
Great! Security is complete. Now I'm walking to my departure gate for my London flight. I'm at the boarding gate now. My flight to London will start boarding very soon. Thank you so much! I can't wait to explore London.
Welcome. Your flight is ready. Have a wonderful trip to London.
I found my seat! Now I'll fasten my seatbelt and get ready for takeoff.
Please fasten your seatbelts and listen carefully to the safety instructions.
I'm ready and listening carefully.
Cabin crew, prepare for takeoff.
Wow, we're taking off. Goodbye for now, and hello, London. Look at the beautiful white clouds. The view from up here is absolutely amazing.
Here is your meal and juice. Enjoy.
Thank you. Everything looks fresh and delicious.
Welcome to London. We will land in a few minutes.
I can see London from the window. I'm so excited to explore this beautiful city. Hooray! We have arrived in London. My adventure is just beginning. I'm outside the airport now. I can't wait to explore London and share my whole adventure with you.
Welcome to London. Where would you like to go?
Please take me to my hotel. I'm excited to see the city.
Welcome. Your room is ready.
Thank you. I'm looking forward to my stay in London. Thank you for joining my London airport adventure. I had so much fun sharing this journey with you. See you in my next exciting journey. Goodbye.